You know who it is, Alex?
So guys, I just made a video. I was waiting 3 hours for it to upload. So here, error page, error uploading. I've had to delete it, making it again, but I'm not going to make it too long. 1 minute. My friend is asleep. I tried to wake him up. Only hear snoring. I've downloaded Call of Duty Infinite Warfare.
My games and apps section button.
And I hopefully will be able to play on it tomorrow for you. I'm gonna go have a look how long. So we're on 3.74 gigabytes of 53.65 gigabytes, but on 6% complete. 7% complete now. Who's that? Who is it?